Good morning, class. Today I will continue the line wise explanation of this chapter. Chapter 600 Days a Second. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. Maddie was feeling sad because she was not able to meet Vanda Petronsky, and they had gone to meet Vanda to the Bogin Heights, but they could not meet her, and so this idea was troubling her again and again, and Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head. For if there were anything in it, she could not have to feel so badly. And Maddie was thinking, if she were anything in it, then she would not have to feel so badly. And if she was feeling so badly, it means she was feeling guilty for that. But that night she could not get to sleep. When Peggy and Maddie returned from the Bogin Heights, Peggy thought positively, and she thought that she hadn't done any wrong. But Maddie could not sleep that night. Why she could not sleep that night? Because she continuously kept on thinking about the Vanda Petronsky. She thought about Vanda and her faded blue dress and little house she had lived in. And when Maddie tried to sleep, her ideas went towards Vanda Petronsky, towards her faded blue dress, and towards the little house where Vanda's family used to live. And when these ideas come to her mind, she could not sleep, and she thought of glowing picture those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. Whenever Maddie closed her eyes to sleep, the picture of Vanda Petronsky used to come before her eyes. The picture of her house used to come before her eyes. The picture of her blue faded dress that she always wore up, that used to come before her eyes. And thus these pictures used to come before the eyes of Vanda, before the eyes of the Maddie, and Maddie could not sleep. Sometimes the picture of glowing means shining picture of the 100 days used to come before the eyes of Maddie, and which all are lined up in the classroom. At last Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. When Maddie was not able to sleep, so at last she woke up and sat down in the bed, and she pressed her head tightly with, with her hands, and she really was thinking about a decision. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done. When Maddie was not able to sleep, she woke up and sat down on the bed. She pressed her head with her hands and thinking very deeply, and after thinking hard, she had taken a very firm decision. She had taken a very firm determination. What was that? After a long time, she reached an important conclusion. And after thinking much, after thinking a long time, and Maddie came to an conclusion. What was that conclusion? She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. Maddie had taken a decision that she had done a mistake, not opposing Peggy when she was making fun of Vanda Petronsky, but now she had decided that she never going to stand by. It means she will not remain quiet and say nothing again. If this time Peggy will make fun of anyone, Peggy will ask funny question to anyone, to insult any student, this time Maddie will not keep quiet, but she will oppose Peggy, and she will oppose Peggy whether her friendship may remain with the Peggy or may be broken. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone, picking on means criticizing, teasing someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, so she would speak up. Maddie had taken a firm decision by sitting on her bed that if this time Peggy would make fun of any student by asking funny questions because they had strange names, because they wear poor dresses, then she will speak up against the Peggy, even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship, and whether the friendship with the Peggy may remain or may be broken, but she will oppose Peggy. This firm decision, this hard decision had been taken by Peggy, by Maddie, when she was not able to sleep that night when she returned from the Bogan Heights. She had no way of making things right with Vanda. Now, there was no way by which she could say sorry to Vanda Petronsky because they had gone to Bogan Heights, but the family of Vanda Petronsky had gone, so she could not improve her mistakes. But from now on, she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. But she had taken a firm decision, she had taken a conclusion that now no other students will be sad by being insulted by anyone, because if any students will make fun of any other students due to her longer name, due to her dresses, then Maddie would oppose Peggy and she will try to save that students from being unhappy or sad.